First, we have to know the position of our hands. This is the down. I'm talking Dutch language. This is the wijsvinger, middelvinger, ringvinger, pink op. And in the left hand, this is pink op. This is a ring vinger, middle vinger, wijsvinger, down op. So this is the C, D, A, F, G. Okay? C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. First, we have to know the basic. We have to know the functions of our hands. Where is the C? The C is in the down, in the right. And wijsvinger is letter D. Middle finger is letter E. And ring finger is letter F. And pink is letter G. This one. And in the left hand, this is the pink letter C. This is the ring finger, letter D, and this is the middle finger, letter E, and this is the wijsvinger, letter F, and this is the down. So we know now what is the position of our hands. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to start here. If we click the letter C, we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Gahi manggod ni ang atong mga kamot. So para siya mahumok atong mga kamot, ato siyang i-count og 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, letter D, E, F, G. So, let's practice. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, kung humok na imong kamot, pwede na nimo siya ipaspas. So, as long nga ma-memorize nimo ang mga nota, unsay function sa imong kamot, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C, D, A, F, G. C, D, E, F, G. So, mo na siya.